Arni kemia kardom de ha. Nangli patumi kam ke claim cepaduk wa cepalak waramat pinia dap ke thur ke sorep surup pine si aini lai lason ka chifila situation long lo mana jong si lason plote nangli det kalilo ki ong dung atum ke lason chifil atum si ke ong lo athe ilitum kam choklem si cholong ji hemri chikim long ji la suppose laso jakong ka chupa bang thuji laso ke laksit ka chupa meje phan full body stretching bang kenang sot la si pinie a timer pen exercise nangli tum phani nang ke wan pike full body stretching nangli tum yo si ke lak me melet ko te laso stretching klemoy full body phan lo nangli tum energy che bang thupo so pen up ke belek exercise klem ponang pini bang ke full body exercise le stretching le klem ponang laso exercise nang di adapt ta klem me ania sam ta klem me but most effectively ke adapt si ke klem me alright alam ke chethan onang le lo akam le klem pon chuna
Ready to go. The next 20 seconds. Shoulder stretch. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Shoulder stretch. Breathe regularly.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds. Standing side bend. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Standing side bend. This exercise works your obliques.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds. Chest stretch.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Chest stretch.
Preview.
You should feel stretch in your chest and shoulders.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds. Tricep stretch left.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Tricep stretch left.
Preview.
Breathe regularly.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds.
Preview.
Tricep stretch right. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Tricep stretch right. Breathe regularly.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds. Spine lumbar twist stretch left. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Spine lumbar twist stretch left. Please keep your opposite arm always flat on the floor. 3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds. Spine lumbar twist stretch right. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Spine lumbar twist stretch right. Please keep your opposite arm always flat on the floor.
Preview.
3,
Preview.
2, 1. The next 30 seconds. Healing lunge stretch left. 3,
Preview.
2, 1. 30 seconds. Kneeling lunge stretch left. This exercise
Preview.
works on your hip flexors and thighs. Half the time.
Preview. Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 30 seconds. Kneeling lunge stretch right.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Kneeling lunge stretch right.
Preview.
Please do not arch your back. Half the time.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds.
Preview.
Calf stretch left. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Calf stretch
Preview.
left. Please keep your extended legs straight.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds. Calf stretch right. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Calf stretch right. Please keep your heels on the ground and toes pointing straight ahead.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 30 seconds. Seated butterfly stretch.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Seated butterfly stretch.
Preview.
Breathe regularly.
Preview.
Half the time.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 20 seconds. Cobra
Preview.
stretch. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Cobra stretch.
Preview.
Breathe slowly while holding yourself up.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. The next 30 seconds. Child's pose. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds.
Preview.
Child's pose.